When and how often should you review your projects in OmniFocus to stay organized and to get stuff done? Let's talk about that in this video. But first, let me introduce myself. In case you don't know me, my name is Peter, and I help people get more organized and be more productive. And one of the tools that I teach people how to use to achieve those things is OmniFocus. So let's talk about that in this video. How often and when should you review your projects in OmniFocus? Now, I'll assume that you already know how to do a review in OmniFocus. And actually, I have a free guide available on how to do a review. It's a weekly review cheat sheet, so we'll get into whether things should be weekly in a minute. It's a free weekly review cheat sheet, and you can pick that up just from the link in the video description below, and there's also a link on my YouTube channel, Cover Art. Also, I have an online course. It's called How to Set Up and Use OmniFocus 3 to Get Stuff Done. And there's a whole section on doing reviews, as well as on a bunch of other topics on how to use OmniFocus to get stuff done. So you go ahead and check that out as well. There's a free preview of the course. Link is also in the description below. So how often and when should you review your projects? Well, of course, like with anything productivity related, this is a trial and error thing. Let's talk about some of the options, and then at the end, I'm going to ask you to pick one option and run with it for a little while, and then see what happens. But first, let's talk about the options. If you want to review in OmniFocus, there's a couple of ways to do it. You could, for example, review your projects every day. You could review them every week, every other week, every month. Some people have a daily review that's a little bit different than a weekly review, and maybe they also have a quarterly review. And I find that for most people, that's too overwhelming. I suggest that, especially if you struggle to consistently use OmniFocus, to consistently be productive, to consistently be organized, get stuff done, right? If you struggle with those things, do a weekly review, once a week. When should you do it? Really, whenever you have the most free time available. Or not the most, but when you know that you're going to have an hour or two, when it's most likely in your weekly schedule that you're going to have an hour or two that you can sit down and think big picture and go through your projects one by one. So maybe for you, that's on a Sunday evening. Maybe for you, that's on a Friday. Maybe for you, that's on Monday morning. I don't know. This is something that you have to figure out for yourself, but I suggest just starting somewhere. Pick one. Say, I'm going to do this Monday morning. See how it goes. Try that for a month, right? Not for 1 week or 2 weeks. Try that for a month and then see how it goes. And if after a month you don't like how that goes, try Wednesday or Sunday. Try something else. So that's the approach. Why weekly? So I find that in OmniFocus, you can quickly get a bunch of projects. If I go over to my projects over here in OmniFocus, you'll see that I've got some folders and I've got a lot of projects in there. And some projects have a lot of tasks. And this project is one that actually has a lot of notes and is not representative necessarily of my OmniFocus projects. But many people end up collecting a ton of tasks in their OmniFocus throughout the week. If you're really good about it, you'll be putting everything you can think of either directly into a project or at least into the OmniFocus inbox. Everything that you need to handle for email that comes in that you need to take action on, things you think you might like to do someday, things you really need to do soon, everything, all of these things, you're putting it into OmniFocus. And if you're anything like me, that builds up quite a bit to the point where OmniFocus and reality, kind of get out of whack every now and then. This happens to pretty much everybody. Sometimes you forget to add some of these things, and some of the things that you put in are no longer relevant, or they have a different due date than you thought they did when you put them in. And once a week is just a great frequency to correct that, to go through all of your project and see that the due dates are correct, that there aren't any tasks that you've already done in your OmniFocus and things like that. And again, when you do it, it's up to you. Try Monday morning. Start with Monday morning. If you can't decide, I'm deciding for you. Do Monday morning and see how it goes, and then report back to me, okay, after a month. But the weekly frequency, I think, is really good because plenty of things tend to change, in an average week for most people, that there'll be enough to actually do in a weekly review. I don't recommend reviewing every day because not that much sometimes changes from day to day. However, there is a big however here. So I do find that sometimes an impromptu review is really helpful. Let's say you are feeling very stressed out today, feeling really overwhelmed, and you're not sure what to work on. That's a good time to do your weekly review, right? And so let me show how you might do that in a nice way in OmniFocus. Let's say, first of all, I recommend that you do your whole review at once, okay? I wouldn't recommend staggered reviews. Unless you start taking sort of more than an hour and a half or 2 hours per review, if you take that long to review all of your projects, I mean, there may be a more fundamental problem, but at that point, maybe it makes sense to review maybe half your projects one week and half the projects the next week. But, if your review takes sort of an hour and a half or less, ideally an hour or less, because I don't want this to be a huge thing for you on an ongoing basis. The first time you do it, it will take longer, but on an ongoing basis, it really shouldn't take that long. If you're doing a normal review, normal length, I would say do all your projects at once. Review all your projects at once. And let's say you've got a project that's coming up for a review. What can you do? If I expand the inspector over here, actually I can collapse this. All right. So I've expanded the inspector over here, and this project is actually the project is actually up for review today. Let's say that happens, right? Or you can review it and you mark it reviewed, and then it will next be up for review a week from now if you've set it to review every 1 week. And by the way, you can go to OmniFocus Preferences over here, and under, I believe, Dates and Times. Under Dates and Times, by default, you can say review project every 1 week. That's what I would recommend. I think that may be the default setting anyway. So if you just reviewed a project, let's say I'm going to mark it as reviewed, right? Now this it's gone, first of all. But where is it? Right. Now this project, drag the inspector over again. The next review date is a week from today. So today is August 13th, and now it says next review is August 20th, right? And again, I think this is a fantastic way to start. If you're having a little trouble reviewing, getting stuff done, staying on top of stuff, if your OmniFocus is always very messy, start out with a weekly review. And I've been doing a weekly review for many years, find that it really works, very productive, feel very organized. So you may end up just sticking with it, right? But I do sometimes do these impromptu reviews. So maybe I'm 5 days into the week, right? And so this thing is due sort of 5 days from now, which I guess would be like the 18th or something. But I find that today I'm like, oh, wow, I have so many things to do. I'm not sure what to work on. In a case like that, I might say, you know what? I'm reviewing my projects today. Even though I've already reviewed my projects 5 days ago and the week is not up yet, I'll just review all of my projects today, just to make sure I'm on top of everything, and then I can intelligently choose what to work on next. So the way I would do that is I would go to all projects and sort of hold command, and while I'm holding command, I would select multiple projects. So I might hold command and then click this project as well, and now I've got 2 projects selected. Now just go ahead and select all of these projects. I know that takes a little bit of time, and then you can actually go and edit them all at the same time. In next review, set the next review date to whatever you want. Today, usually type today, and then hit enter or return, and then all of those projects will show up here under review for being able for you to review today. And then you'll actually review them, mark them as reviewed, and then the next review date when they'll be up will be a week from today. So you're back on your weekly schedule. Now, of course, if you do that, and let's say, today is a Tuesday, then I don't normally review on Tuesday, then the next week it'll be due on Tuesday as well. So you can then also go back and actually set the next review date to be, again, maybe if you normally do it on Mondays, but then you did it on Thursday once, you could just set it to like the next Monday, right? Or the Monday after that. Anyway, I wanted you to be aware that you can set the next review date, and I recommend that you sort of select all projects at once and then set the next review date. Anyway, that's about impromptu reviews. So, what have I talked about in this video so far? I recommend that you start by reviewing weekly, not daily. I think that's way too much work. It'll make you not want to use OmniFocus because it's going to feel so oppressive to look at it every day. Review weekly, and especially if you don't have a strong review habit yet, try a weekly review at least for a month. and commit to doing it at a certain time of the week. Just pick one time of the week. If you're having trouble picking, like flip a coin and pick a time. Do it for a month, see how it goes, and then adjust if you need to. You'll know whether it's working or not. Or you can always leave a comment below or email me if you're getting stuck, and I'll help you out as well. But do that and add impromptu reviews if necessary. If you feel like you're really overwhelmed, really stressed, and you just need some more clarity on what to work on, you can do an impromptu review. So that's my take on when and how often to do reviews in OmniFocus. And if you like this, I would highly recommend that you download my free weekly review cheat sheet. Again, the link to that is in the video description below, and also that you check out my video course on OmniFocus. The link to that is also in the description below. Finally, if you love this video, I would really appreciate it if you could give it a like. And if you want to see more of these videos come in the future, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and then you'll be notified, or at least you'll see a little dot that there's a new video from me. Would really appreciate that. And leave a comment if you have any questions or feedback. Thanks so much, and have a lovely day.